In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Forms to make testing your employees. To get started, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want to build this employee test. It's important to begin in the correct workspace so everything stays organized and the form submissions go to the right place. If your team uses multiple workspaces, just take a moment to confirm you're in the one you want before moving on. Once you're there, create a dedicated space for this process. On the left side, click the plus icon next to spaces, then create a new space and name it Employee Testing. Giving this its own space helps separate testing from your other projects, tasks, and team workflows, which makes things much easier to manage later. Next, go inside the Employee Testing space and create a new list. Name this list Employee Tests. This list will act as the central location where all test submissions are stored. So keeping the name clear and specific will help with tracking and reviewing responses. Now open the Employee Tests list, click Plus View and choose Form. When prompted, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank form so you can fully customize it based on the kind of employee test you want to create. The first question you'll want to add is for the employee's name. Click Add Question. Choose the short text option and label it Employee Name. This is a simple but important step because it lets you clearly identify who submitted each test. After that, continue building the form by clicking Add Question again and entering the test questions your employees need to answer. As you add each one, choose the question type that best fits the response you want. For example, some questions may work best as short answers, while others may be better suited to different response formats available in ClickUp. Once your questions are in place, open each question that must be answered and turn on Required. This helps prevent incomplete submissions and ensures you collect all the information you need for proper review. Next, open the form settings and make sure submissions are set to create tasks in the Employee Tests list. This is what connects the form to your workflow, allowing each completed test to appear as a task you can open and review. Before sharing the form, click Preview to see exactly how it will appear to employees. This is a good time to catch any wording issues or formatting problems. When everything looks right, click Copy Link and send the form link to your employees. As responses come in, return to the Employee Tests list and open any submitted task to review that employee's answers. Thanks for watching.